Hi, this is David Dingo for Dingo Servo Mounts, and just want to bring you an update on our DCC 4-channel control board, or decoder rather, and this is what it looks like. So the biggest problem we had with the original boards was that if the DCC failed, then the whole board died because it was powered from the DCC control bus. Now, what we've done with this one, I'm going to just increase this a little bit, is we have now powered the board from the control board. So this is a 4-channel multi-board, and this little red wire here brings the 12 volts DC from the motherboard into the DCC encoder, or decoder rather. Get it right just now. Everything else is pretty much the same. There's one other little feature here. This, a little link at the top here, will then isolate the earth of the board from the output earth. It's not required. I mean, the link is in all the time under normal conditions, but if you're using somebody else's control board, you might want to isolate the earth, so you can do that by taking that off. The only thing you would then have to do is bring a 0 volt from your power supply into the left-hand pin of that link, and then that would do the thing. Right, this is just a quick indication of how to set up this board. So the first thing you do is you push the little button over there. The light flashes twice. Then on my handset, I select an accessory, in this case number 10, and if I now send that to the board by pressing a 1, the light flashes again to say it's there. Now if I select that accessory again and enter and hit the 2, the light comes on and the servo moves. And with power cab, you could then just double click and it will go the other way. You'll notice that the white light flashes each time a signal goes to the board. That's just to tell you that it's working. So at the moment, I say it's set up for channel 10, so it's select accessory and put in channel 10 and enter. Now the nice thing about the NCE is you just have to double click and it starts to work. So you can see when I double click, the red light goes out and the servo at the top of the board changes. If I lift that up a little bit, you will see the servos. There we go. Let's just pull that back a bit. You'll see the servos operating. And if I then went to channel 11, enter, it will now move channel 11. Now I've just noticed that the two servos are crossed over here, so don't get too worried about that. When the yellow light works, it's actually driving channel 2, which is this one, which at the moment is connected to that far servo, which is a bit crazy, but there you go. So that's basically it. Now, just to prove that things happen, let's put that one off so that you can see the channels are different. Now, if I disconnect the DCC from there, you'll see that everything stays the same. You can't obviously operate the points or anything else, but it doesn't lose its position. And the moment you put that back into play and the DCC comes up again, you can then carry on operating. So that is our new powered 4-channel DCC decoder, and they are now available in our shop. So this is David Dingo for Dingo Servo Mount, and thank you for watching.